Kia ora koutou. Creating incomes online. Boom. Now, some people have been asking me why I'm so interested in digital technology, online business, digital marketing, social media. Because, dear people, I believe it levels the playing field, okay? It bridges the gap between the haves and the have-nots. All right, there has never been a better time than now for us little people, so to speak, to be able to enter the world of business. Okay, you don't need qualifications, you don't need a university degree, you don't need hundreds of thousands of dollars or loads of money to start the business. You don't need experience in a corporate company. You know, all you need is a laptop, a good mobile phone, and of course, an awesome mentor, okay? The main thing ultimately though, is you must have the ingredients of willpower, determination, passion, courage. Ka pai, so it all starts with you. All right, so, want to learn more? Haere mai. All the best, e no hora.